Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Brent Bridgman and you're watching the JFL boat build series right here. Anyway, it is warm outside, so I decided I probably better get a head start on some, packing, important things in life, because we do have to move here in the next 23 days. So we should probably get our butts in gear. So part of that is we've got to get the boat ready to, take off. So anyway, I got a little surprise for you guys today. Just stay tuned and I'm sure you will love the result. I am doing something crazy. We did something. Anyway, stay tuned. Yeah, we're getting stuff put on the boat. Man, the lighting is terrible that way. Trying to do the microphone here without disrupting. Yeah, I can't show you that because it's behind me. Anyway, behind me is a secret. Oh, anyway, stay tuned. Let's get started. Well, the worst part is always putting away the tools. So we got everything packed up here. This is the lower shop. We're going to put these plates, I'm showing you guys these. We're going to put these plates on after the Bob's Jack plate is on. So we're going to have to get a little bit longer bolts to put those on. But for right now, and this is our eye hook we're going to save. This is how we pull our motors. So that will stay with that. Of course, the chain from the engine puller will stay with this. In fact, let's put that on there now. All right, that will stay with that. This one is, there we go. So anyway, that will stay with that. Just putting away the tools. Let me take you off the stand. Let me show you around because you guys remember how this used to look. So anyway, I cleaned the JFL, plugged the holes, got all the stuff off the walls, packed up. This is my, my wall signs and all the, lure building stuff. And I just got big stuff and then, packaging up all of our dyes and flakes and all that stuff for pouring worms. Here's all of our worm dye, our tools, those things. And then the little TV will go in the bathroom at the new shop. This is my computer screen for the shop. We got everything boxed up. We got that whole corner cleaned. That's all the landlord stuff there for touch-up. Gonna do a little bit of touch-up. The Ranger seats, I got the pan ready to go in. They'll slide right on. So I'll bolt that in, put the seats in the boat, and then we just got big boxes that I gotta close up. Got the big 17.5-pound largemouth we got to finish at the new shop. But shelving, all my worm juice, dead on plastic worm juice. I can put my tackle, my feeder, all this stuff can go in the boat. All the rods can go in the boat. But yeah, we're about packed up in here. Not much left. We got the other console for the boat. I'll probably just sell this. Anybody needs a Z20 Comanche dual console for the passenger side, let me know. I'm on. Boat parts will come with me. Washer dryer stay, that's the landlord's. Curio stays, that's the landlord's. I just gotta grab my motor puller, my rack, my mower, And then my chainsaw, my fuel for the chainsaw, the old steering wheel we'll just take with us just because. Roll of fiberglass, the shop vac. This table is the landlord's, and he wanted me to throw it away, so I'll probably take that with me. It's been a pretty good table. It's a good work table for the shop. Anyhow, other than that, I got 2 beds upstairs and a small love seat and my clothes and some dishes. And we'll be out of here. So, yeah, pretty close to being out of here. So let's look at the lake. The lake came up like 6 feet, and then they took it down another 4 feet. So they must be planning for some big rain. It's 96 feet under that dock. So the fishing here is not that good. But, yeah, we'll miss the old house. It's been a good house. Landlord called me yesterday and was like, darn, I can't believe you're leaving. And I was like, well, can't afford it, sir. Can't afford it. He says, well, if anything changes, let me know. I'm not going to rent it right away. So anyway, if anybody wants to rent this house, you've got a ramp, you've got a dock, and it's a 2-story house. The downstairs is basically a shop, small garage and a shop. Upstairs is 2 bedroom, 1 bath, tiny shower. It's a cute place. I think the rent's right around $2,000. So if anybody's interested, I could put you in touch with the landlord. Let me know. And yeah, we're gonna mosey on to the shop here in 20 days. And we're gonna go on the Bassmaster Opens. And we're gonna do it in this boat. Oh, I'm excited. It's a lot of work, but guess what? When I'm out there fishing on this boat, I remember these days where I worked my ass off to make this boat ready to go on the tour, because I don't have $137,000 to buy a new one. But I'm trying to make this one look new, guys. So give me a little bit of credit. We're gonna go upstairs and relax, and then go get some. Look, right when I thought we were done, boom, package shows up.
Package? It's a package. A package has showed up, everybody. Calm down, calm down. It's just a package.
Let's see here. Let's see how I can do this real quick. I'm gonna put you guys here, and I'm going to open this. What is this? Well, you know, we had to put the motor on, so for the trip, the hydraulic steering boats, you can have these little keepers. So I went on Amazon, and yep, we had to pick black and red. You know me. So black and red. Show you how those go. Whoops. Now we're back. All right, so these are supposed to turn the motor a little bit. Okay, those don't clip on too easy. Okay, let me try the other side. It's to prevent it from flopping side to side when we haul it down the road. So let me see here. Oh, just gotta give it a little bit of push. That red looks good. All right, so now let's go over here. There we go. Maybe it'll go on there now. That's a little hard, but it's on. Good. All right, so those should keep it from turning side to side. So now we go down the road. Oh yeah, keeps it straight. The bottom piece just holds that until I can get a transom saver, but we're not gonna do that until we get the Bob's jack plate. So for now, that'll work going down the road. She's secure, she's on the trailer, she's tight. She's looking good. Damn, Gina. All right, once this thing's all re-gel coated up top, fully polished, fenders are re-cleared, the motor is totally painted red metal flake and white with the zero sponsors, this thing's gonna be wild. All right, you guys, well, that's it for today. I'm wore out. I gotta get me some lunch. We'll see you soon.